Hi, thanks for joining me again today for this review of black pudding from Bury, England. So as you can see, it's black pudding from the Bury Black Pudding Company. So I've bought the packet here that has 4 slices. You can buy it in most supermarkets in the UK. So it's 230 grams. And as you can see from my notes that it's very low in fat. So it's 0.89 grams for just under 2 slices, which is very good. So I'm just going to bake it in the oven. So I've just lightly oiled the top and the bottom with some sunflower oil and just popped it in a tray and put it in the oven. And here you can see the cooked product. So I've got it with some bacon. Obviously you can eat it any way you like. That's the good thing about black pudding. And just wanted to just give my feedback of what I thought. So what I thought was that I really enjoyed it. It went really well with the bacon and I'm sure it would go well with lots of other things as well. So there's not a lot of fat. Some of the white flakes are actually grains, possibly barley, but there's not very much fat in it. So if you do give it a try, let me know what you think, and it'd be interesting to know how you also like to have your black pudding. Thanks for joining me again today. Bye.